You can make $100 every single day utilizing this very simple strategy which works all over the world. So now let's get started into our awesome juicy content. Guys, we are into our computer screen. The first step you need to do is go to this website which is known as Latium. Okay, so now here is one of the best thing which you can do and really make some good money online, and this is something which is the best way to earn some good money online. Now you can see this guy needs a slideshow video, okay, and you can see he is gonna pay you $100 to $150 for that video. You don't have to write the script for that video. Probably this guy is going to provide you with the script, okay. So all you need to do is convert that script into a slideshow video, which you can easily do with the software which I am going to reveal to you in this video. Now this software is known as InVideo, okay. Utilizing InVideo, you will get all these different kinds of templates. Now what you can do is that you can utilize this templates, okay, and create a slideshow video for that guy according to the voiceover which that guy has provided to you, and you could be making some good money online. As well as, don't tell me that you don't know to use InVideo, because you can see over here, just click over here and you can find a tutorial for each and everything, for each and every editing which you need to do on this platform, okay. You can do all this perfect editing and learn over here. InVideo itself is going to teach you everything, how to do the editing, what are the steps you need to take, and all these things can be learned from over here, from this website, okay. So it is a 7-day free trial. So what you can do is that you can create 5, 6, 10 videos just within the 7-day free trial. So you can provide that video to your client, and this can be really awesome because you are creating a video for free, learning from over here, and you are making $100 to $150 super fast. And this is something which is really awesome. You just need to go to this website which is known as latium.org, and you can basically find this gig over here, okay. Okay, as well as you can find a lot of other freelancing projects, but this one is the easiest one which I found, which almost every one of you can do utilizing this software which is known as InVideo, and which is really awesome, okay. Now what if that guys also tells you that you also have to give a voiceover? Then you can go and purchase this software which is known as Picello, okay. You just need to pay almost $40 one-time fee, and this software generates AI based voiceovers, okay, for you. So what you can do is that you can start selling your video creation services, as well as you can also start selling your voiceover services on this website. In this way you could be making a double income from this website which is known as latium.org. This is a freelancing marketplace just like Fiverr, and many of the people are utilizing this to make money because it has really low competition, as well as you will be getting paid money in PayPal, Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever currency you want. You will be paid money in that currency, and that can be one of the best things which can really help you kickstart your career in an online industry or in an online business. Now this is the easiest thing to do. All you need to do is go to InVideo, sign up for the free trial, just learn watching these videos. You can easily learn just by watching all these videos how to create a slideshow video on this, provide that slideshow video to this guy, earn this money, and then you can also purchase the software so that you can also provide the voiceover on the video of this guy. Still you are gonna make $100 of profit on this very simple method to make money online. Not everybody is gonna do this stuff, and that's the reason why they are never ever gonna make money online. But you could be the one who could be making money with this very simple and awesome strategy which you can easily utilize and many of the people are utilizing this to earn some good income online. So definitely, if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button so that you'll get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, so that you can take the first movers advantage and make maximum money as soon as possible. And that could be the best thing which you have ever had. Okay, so smash the like button. We'll see you in the next awesome video.